Hello viewers, welcome to Ekamai's Academy. Today we are going to discuss about an important environmental initiative taken by Government of India with respect to mangrove conservation, that is Mishti scheme. So why this particular scheme is in news, what are the aims and objectives of the scheme, and we also will understand an important biodiversity characteristic of India is mangroves and what is the distribution and habitat, what type of features are usually associated with mangroves, why do we need to conserve mangroves, we'll understand in this video. So what are we going to discuss? Mishti scheme. So Mishti scheme was in news because recently, after announcement of the scheme, Gujarat became the very first state to implement this Mishti and increase the mangrove area cover under its geographical extent. So first we have to understand that Gujarat has emerged as a national leader by improving the mangrove cover almost to 19,020 hectares, especially from the time 2023 onwards when the scheme was announced in the union budget. So first let us understand what is this Mishti. Mishti is nothing but Mangrove Initiative for Shoreline Habitats and Tangible Incomes. So this is one of the initiative taken by Government of India in the union budget 2023-24, especially to increase the area of mangroves, at the same time to generate incomes so that whatever the communities that are staying in the coastal areas along with the environmental benefits also will take the leverage. So that's the main objective behind launching of this particular scheme. So we have to understand this is increasing the mangrove cover, at the same time it is also increasing the income of the communities who are actually living in the mangrove areas. So next, apart from this, there is also an important announcement regarding those who are preparing for UPSC Prelims 2025. So Ekamai's Academy is going to conduct an intensive revision program for those who are unsure about the revision, and this program is about to start from 17th March 2025. So this program has 125 hours of lectures where you will be taught with static and current affairs by linking the PYQs by the subject experts. So for any detailed schedule regarding the program, you can scan the QR code available on the screen. At the same time, this program is available at a very affordable cost of 2,999 only. So those who avail this program, they can also have the benefit of enjoying the test series at Ekamai's Academy at a rate of 999 only. So for any other details, you can contact us on the number displayed. Right. So we have already discussed that Mishti scheme was launched by Government of India, especially to increase the mangrove cover in the country, to create awareness about the mangrove conservation and what is the importance in terms of climate change mitigation, at the same time how to reverse any ecological loss with the help of mangroves. So apart from this, we also need to understand what are mangroves. Mangroves are those areas in the coastal systems where we have the intertidal zones. Intertidal zones are the areas where we generally see the salt water mixing with the fresh water. So mangrove is a perfect example of an ecotone. Ecotone is a transitional zone between two different ecosystems. So here the freshwater ecosystem is getting interlinked with the aquatic ecosystem. So that is what we call in environment point of view as the ecotone, and this stands as a very good example of ecotone. So this generally will be there in the tropical and subtropical areas, especially in the intertidal zones, and they're very famous because they're salt tolerant trees. That means as they're living in the salt waters, they have the mechanism where they're making salt tolerance also as an adaptive feature to the harsh climatic environment. At the same time, we also have to understand what are the adaptation mechanisms they take in to survive in that particular harsh environments. So they have viviparity. So they germinate on the tree itself. So if they germinate in the water, and that is also salt water, they may not have the chance of having the seed sprouting. That is the reason they have the property called viviparity, and they have still roots. They have again blind roots also, we can say. These are unique features which are associated with the mangroves. Then where do we find mangroves in India? So when we see the population, the distribution of mangroves, we have across 9 states, coastal states in India. At the same time, 3 union territories which are located on the coast are also having significant amount of mangrove population. So when we talk about mangroves, we immediately remind about a particular delta called Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, which is called Sundarban Delta in the country of India and the Bangladesh. So this is very largest delta with respect to mangroves. At the same time, we also have to understand, according to the Indian State of Forest Survey report, which was released in 2023, almost 4,000 square kilometers of our country's geographical area is covered with mangroves, which translates into 0.15% of the geographical area. Then when we talk about the states, West Bengal is in the first position with almost 42% of its geographical area under mangroves. Then is the Gujarat, then is the state of Assam. Third position is Andaman and Nicobar after West Bengal and Gujarat. So these are the main states which are having significant amount of mangrove population and how they're helping in fighting the climate change. So they're going to act as coastal shelters in case of any sea surges or tsunamis. So that is all. Next, let us say the practice question. So consider the following statements regarding the mangrove forests in India. Sundarbans, Pichavaram, Bhitarkanika and Gulf of Kutch. So among these, how many are UNESCO recognized Ramsar wetlands? If you know, let me know in the comment section. Then today we have discussed about Mishti scheme, why it was in use, what are the aim and objectives of Mishti scheme. Then we also have discussed about an important ecosystem with respect to Indian environment, that is Mishti, so mangroves. At the same time, we also have seen the distribution of mangroves across India, what is the geographical extent and which are the top performing states in terms of mangrove conservation, along with the practice question. So if you like the video, do let us know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. All the very best.